Hi guys! Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm so excited. Meron naman tayong bagong drone na i-review. This is the DJI Lito X1. Hindi siya Lito, it's Lito. Honestly, DJI is becoming scary good sa budget drones. Because before, kapag gusto mo na magandang image quality, obstacle avoidance, at confidence sa paglipad, kailangan mong bumili ng Mini Pro series katulad nito. This is the Mini 5 Pro. But now, meron na tayong DJI Lito X1. And honestly, this might be one of the DJI's best budget-friendly drones yet. I've been using my DJI Mini 5 Pro for my travels, and honestly, isa pa rin siya sa mga favorite drones ko ever. Why? It's lightweight, easy to carry, easy to fly, and the video quality is good enough for almost everything that I do. Travel videos, reels, B-roll, yung mga quick cinematic shots natin. The Mini 5 Pro just works. So when DJI released the Lito series, I actually got interested agad. But the moment I saw the sensor difference between the DJI Lito X1 over the DJI Lito 1, I immediately picked this one, the X1. Because if there's one thing I learned about drones, sensor size matters a lot. Let's talk about the build quality of this one. One thing DJI does really well is even their cheaper drones feel premium. Hindi siya mukhang disposable beginner drone. Compact siya, lightweight, madaling dalhin sa bag, perfect talaga pang travel. And honestly, this is the kind of drone na hindi mo na pag-iisipang dalhin, which is very important kasi tingnan mo yung size niya. Diba? But the body feels solid, the folding mechanism feels redefined, and the overall design, very DJI. Clean, minimal, and professional looking. So let's talk about why I chose the Lito X1. So bakit nga ba? Ito yung pinili ko. It's very simple actually. The upgrades of the X1 are super worth it. Yung bigger sensor nito, panalo. Of course, pag bigger sensor, mas better low light, better dynamic range, cleaner shadows, more professional looking footage. At mararamdaman mo agad na, lalo na pag nagta-travel ka, yung shots mo, yung sunsets, city lights, and cinematic B-rolls. Superb. And of course, yung 10-bit D-Log-M nito, this is huge for creators kasi now, you get more flexibility in color grading. Makukulay mo siya na maayos. Malaking bagay yung may 10-bit D-Log-M ka. The footage looks richer. Mas may room ka for edits without breaking the image. Yung pagko-color mo. And then, this one has a LiDAR. And yeah, honestly, that surprised me. The X1 has forward LiDAR. Usually, you only see this in more expensive drones. And in real-world use, this helps a lot actually. Especially in dim conditions, sa mga trees, tight areas, or tricky environments. The drone feels smarter and safer. And isa sa pinaka gusto ko dito is meron siyang 42 gig na internal storage. And honestly, yung built-in storage is underrated because ilang beses na nangyari sa akin na nakalimutan ko ang SD card. With the X1, you still have the 42 gig internal storage ready. Very convenient, very travel-friendly. Diba? So, we're trying out the new Lito X1. Pero one of the things that I've learned now, kumpara mo before, sobrang yung satellite niya, yung pag, ano niya, mas stable na siya ngayon, ano? Positioning niya, tama. Mas stable ng mga drones ngayon, kumpara mo before. Pag minsan, ang dalas namin na nawawalan kami ng, ng signal. Dati, kaya nawawala yung mga drone. Ngayon, mas sobrang stable na niya. So let's talk about the features and performance of this one. One thing I really like about this is this drone is easy, and that matters. Because not everyone wants a complicated flying experience. Sobrang dali niyang gamitin. Oh my God! Wow! And let's talk about the flight stability. It's impressive, especially sa hangin. DJI claims wind resistance is up to 10.7 meters per second. But honestly, I don't know what that means. I flew it in stronger winds comfortably. Wala siyang problema. The drone is very stable, the footage looked smooth, and the hover performance, solid. Yung GPS lock was reliable, return to home niya worked properly, and the control felt responsive. I-hover lang natin sa taas. Tingnan natin kung ano.
Max altitude reached.
Max altitude. Ngayon, medyo mahangin right now. Mukhang okay pa siya. Considering na sobrang high altitude na to. And let's talk about the obstacle avoidance naman. This is where DJI is killing the competition. This one have vision sensors in all directions. And honestly, for the price range, that's crazy. Most cheaper drones only have downward sensors. But the X1 goes even further because of the LiDAR. So mas confident kang lumipad. Ayaw niya pumasok. Ayaw talaga. Saka nag-a-alarm na siya. The drone actively detects hazards around you while still keeping the footage smooth. So sa mga bagong nagpapalipad dyan, very easy to use. Diba? Nakita niyo yung kable yun, nasa harap po. Kita? Press ko ulit ha. Ito sa'yo. Nadetect niya yung kable, boy. Ang galang. Buhay pa rin. So let's talk about the battery life. Honestly, majority ng DJI drones, they have good battery life naman. For this one, DJI claims up to 36 minutes. In real-world use, na ginamit namin siya, I got around 25 minutes of stress-free flying. That's already excellent. Less battery swapping, more actual flying, di ba? Dali siyang gamitin. yung natin, nakaka-half na battery pa lang tayo. Good 15 minutes yun tingin ko. It's not bad. And for beginners, that extra confidence helps a lot. So now, the big question is, would I still choose the Mini 5 Pro? Honestly, for my personal use, I would bring this one. Why? Because you're getting better accessibility, easier flying, great safety features, 10-bit D-Log-M, the LiDAR, and the internal storage. This one is still amazing, don't get me wrong, but the Lito X1 feels like the smarter value buy today. DJI didn't reinvent drones with the Lito series, but honestly, they made drones more accessible. They made flying easier, safer, and more beginner-friendly, and more affordable. Mura na niya talaga. And for most people, that's exactly what matters. The DJI Lito X1 hits the sweet spot. Especially if you're serious about content creation but ayaw mo nang gumastos agad ng sobrang laki. If bibili ako ng drone right now, and I'm gonna be choosing between the DJI Mini 5 Pro and the Lito X1, for the value, I would pick the X1. There you go. That's my review of the Lito X1 drone. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.